An eye mask can be a great tool for blocking out excess light when you're trying to sleep. If you need to block out a lot of light, choose a thicker mask. On the other hand, if you're not dealing with a lot of excess light, a thin mask may work fine. Choose a mask that fits your sleeping position too. For instance, if you sleep on your back, avoid masks that clasp in back since they might irritate your scalp. Pick a mask that fits you well and is made of comfortable fabric. If your mask is adjustable, put it on and adjust it properly before you try to sleep. Unwind before bed while wearing the mask pushed up on your forehead so you have time to get used to it. When you're ready for sleep, pull down your mask. If the mask distracts you and makes it hard to sleep, try breathing deeply or focusing on relaxing imagery to help you drift off.